Hi, let's introduce the lead character of our story, and he is Mikey. Mikey is an entrepreneur. Recently, Mikey had, integrated artificial intelligence in his system in his company. Now, Mikey wants to introduce artificial intelligence in creativity as well. So, you know, Mikey has come to us to help him, integrate artificial intelligence to have more creativity. So today we are going to help Mikey to understand everything about creativity and how he can introduce artificial intelligence in his business to grow creativity exponentially, whether it's generating new ideas, whether it's, growing human potential. And if you don't know about Mikey, I highly recommend please go back and watch last video where we have helped Mikey in introducing artificial intelligence into his business. And I will ask team to provide a link somewhere in description or here, so that you can watch the last video as well. If you have not seen the last video, please go back and watch the last video so that you can understand the whole story, how Mikey is, using artificial intelligence to grow the business. So today's topic is obviously we have to help Mikey today, and let's see how we can help Mikey. Can artificial intelligence really replace human creativity? Enhance human creativity with artificial intelligence. So this is today's theme, and you can now connect your personal story, whether you are professionals or entrepreneurs or content creators, that how people like Mikey, who are typical entrepreneur with business presence is global, can use artificial intelligence. So creativity is evolving with AI as powerful enhancement tool. Okay, creativity is not limited to a few degrees only. Like if you, there is no compulsion that you must have a degree from Harvard, Oxford, or MIT to become a creative person. Creativity is something which comes from deep inside. There have been many examples throughout the history when people started their journey after dropping out of the college, out of the school, and then they became very creative person. Okay, so there is no compulsion of having master degrees or graduation from elite universities. If you come from a normal background where you have no experience of management, no background of management, no background of art, still you can have creativity. AI doesn't replace creativity; it amplifies human potential. When I talk to techies, most of techies or founders these days, and they say, "Jaideep, we don't have art background or we don't have background of management, so it's difficult to understand creativity." So let me tell you, my background is of technology. I did my graduation and then master degree in electronics and communication engineering. Okay, so and still I'm really good with creativity, art, design. Okay, so there is no compulsion. So Mikey understand all these things. Okay, now Mikey wants to unlock new possibilities of creativity for his entire business. Mikey want it's unique. First of all, your business idea should be unique. Okay, and whatever you do in your business, it should be unique. It must have some specialty. Like there was earlier iPod, iPad, MacBook, they all have some form of uniqueness, and it's good to integrate uniqueness in your work, whether you are entrepreneur, music composer, writer, or you do some form of app development, web development, always have uniqueness. So Mikey wants uniqueness, and Mikey wants seamless flow of ideas in his business. Okay, ideas are really power, and having seamless flow of ideas, it's very powerful. So let's see how Mikey can understand artificial intelligence and integrate artificial intelligence. The current state of AI in creativity. AI can help with brainstorming, idea generation, and execution. Okay, whether you have to generate ideas, whether you have to brainstorm around it, or execution. AI is going to help you in three ways. One, speed. AI accelerates creative workflow. Okay, we will see in a bit how AI help in acceleration. Then variation. AI offers multiple iteration of ideas. Good. Collaboration. AI enhance human input instead of replacing it. So, as an entrepreneur, as a professional, what we need in today's age, customers want everything fast. They want more options. They want everything in a customizable way. So, not only Mikey, but every entrepreneur need speed, option, and augmentation of human plus artificial intelligence. Why we need augmentation of human and artificial intelligence? So here is something which is very important for everyone to understand, that where we are right now in 2025, where we are. So we have two tables to discuss about creativity generated by artificial intelligence and creativity generated by human beings. So this side, we have features, and then we will talk about their pros and cons. One is process. AI recognizes patterns, generates based on training data. So AI has a large data set. AI is going to generate new form of art on the basis of what has already been taught to AI, or what is already available in its database. While human beings have no such limitation, we have intuition, experience, and emotions. Okay. AI can recognize the past patterns. Let's say we human being can imagine, like we have seen the famous painting of Mona Lisa. We can imagine, and now we can think of having more such ideas, right? But if AI has to create another for painting of Mona Lisa type, it's going to take the reference from the same old painting. That's where you bring the next thing, originality. AI generated creativity is derivative of existing works, while innovates human beings innovates beyond learned patterns. Okay, we don't have limitations of patterns, but uh, AI has a limitation of patterns. Okay, and just because we don't have limitations of pattern, we techies, or if you come from management background or tech background, or commerce background, you can learn art and creativity, and you can apply it beautifully. Then emotions. uh, AI, no emotions, no real experience, while we human beings are driven by passion, culture, and identities. Who is Mikey, by the way? Mikey is not about not just his degrees or marks or certifications or his credential, the fastest growing startup or the CEO of the year. Mikey is basically a, a combination of passion, cultures, identities, okay, and emotions. So when it comes to adaptability, limited to trained data sets. AI is directly limited to trained data sets. AI, let's say this is a AI data set. So what AI is going to AI is going to take the reference from the same, while we human beings have no limitations. There is a statement, think out of the box. This statement is not true for human beings because we don't have any box. We can think beyond any limit. Okay, so these are the current key differences. And that's why I personally recommend to have both human and AI augment together. Okay, let's human work and AI amplifies it. That's a good way. So now let's go to the core and in depth to see how artificial intelligence is going to help us. So let's see basically. AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion create stunning visuals. And then there are more tools like Kling AI, Leonardo AI, okay, and It has not been launched yet, but Google VO2 is amazing. So AI help artists in you know with suggestion of color palettes and design compositions, generate concepts of art, visual prototype quickly. Like you have a rough idea in your mind, you can give the instructions to artificial intelligence, whether you are working in Chat GPT or Google Gemini or Perplexity, Grok, wherever you are working, you can give the instructions, some basic information what you have, and on the basis of that, AI is going to suggest to you all the possibilities. And then enhance, it can enhance images through AI powered upscaling and filtering. So if you are basically an artist or you are a designer, so you can have these applications of artificial intelligence to magnify your work, to take it from 1x to 10x, right? But what it mean for Mikey is an serial entrepreneur. So how Mikey can use artificial intelligence? One, Mikey can create design variation. Mikey is not limited to creating just graphics. Mikey has bigger things. Mikey work in the is the head of the company, so Mikey launch products regularly. Okay, Mikey work with applications. Mikey need to manage the current product pipeline and to come up with the more product pipeline. Okay, so design variation. Mikey can have design variations. Okay, with the help of artificial intelligence, Mikey should have variations in design. Instead of repeating the same old model again and again and again, and that model is suggested by techies only. Okay, then just to save the cost and reduce the possibilities of making any error, Mikey should work with the 3D printing. Okay, instead of preparing the prototype first, Mikey can use 3D printing to create the prototype. Let's say Mikey wants to design a smartwatch and music board. So instead of asking his entire team to design the entire model prototype MVP, what they can create different 3D printed product. Okay, these product will be good to give them fair detail about its size, okay, and its look, the design is whether it's sleek or not, or it's going to fit to the wristwatch or not, or the port design is really good for ears, or should we have some variations. Let's say you have made the prototype MVP, and now you realize, okay, there are three fault line one, fault line two, fault line three, whether it's not sleek or whether it's not fit for wrist. Okay, so now you have done the entire mistake on your prototype, on your MVP, and say use loss of your cost and loss of your human potential. Your employees are working, and basically you delay your product launching in the process. So that's not a good idea for your company. That's not a good idea for your finance. That's not a good idea for your customers. And obviously, your board members are also not going to appreciate it. And then comes to your shareholders. They also want continuous rollout of products, so that you keep growing in the market. So what you do, you use artificial intelligence to create and design. Then you use 3D printing, and you have the prototype. You have, let's say, one or two prototype, and on the basis of seeing the prototype, on the basis of understanding of their model, now you can come up with the final model without even creating your MVP. So you have the final model, which the design is already checked, and the feasibility, everything has already been tested by everyone, including your testing managers or your design team, and you have cut the entire process, and you are done with the final design. Okay, and if you need, then you can enhance design as well with the help of artificial intelligence. So basically, If you are artist, specifically artificial intelligence can help you here. For people like Mikey, the entrepreneur, real entrepreneur, it offers the the big breakthrough of your product designing. Okay, so Mikey should use artificial intelligence to drive creativity. Mikey should use it for design variations, prototype, and enhancing the design. It will reduce the cost, and it will make it will improve the speed of development. Next, AI in writing and content creation. AI powered tool like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy Data AI assist in writing. However, I have a couple of recommendations. If you are doing just research work, then I recommend go with ChatGPT and Perplexity. For ChatGPT and Perplexity are really good for research work. If you are creating general form of content, you can use Gemini, and Gemini is really good for this purpose. However, if you want to be very formal and very, very professional, like you follow the code of conduct of your company or the standard of your company, you can look for Copilot as well. Okay, beside this, if you want to work on, current trend, what is happening outside right now? Okay, in this particular second, the real-time update, then you should prefer the tool which is Grok. Grok is really good tool. Let me repeat again. For research work, go with ChatGPT and Perplexity. For creating your general form of content, and go with Gemini. And if you want, if you wish to be very professional, very formal, Copilot is a good tool. Or you want the real-time news, real-time update, then Grok is an ideal tool. Okay. So how AI help writers? It provides instant content ideas and summaries. It's really good. Okay. Generally, the biggest part of writing book is creating the ideas. I have written multiple books, and the toughest part of writing a book is writer block. Okay, where you keep revolving in certain type of ideas. You keep revolving around just one form of ideas. Here, AI can help you in creating of new ideas. Then enhance productivity by automating repetitive writing tasks. You can improve the productivity. Next, improves your grammar, tone, and structure for clearer messaging. Earlier, it was a big problem when it came to editing. Finding those grammatical error was really a long task. Sometimes you need weeks, I mean weeks to do the proofreading. Now with the help of artificial intelligence, you can do it fast. Okay, then example, AI generated books have already been bestseller on Amazon. Have been many books that became bestseller, and people are loving these books. Okay, so this is for traditional form of authors. This is what AI offer to traditional form of author. What about professionals and entrepreneurs? So what Mikey can do, Mikey can generate multiple ideas with the help of AI. And Mikey can generate ideas directly for his business, for his product pipeline, for his service. Then the next step, Mikey can do idea testing and optimization. Let's say how can you can do that? Let's say you have three different ideas. What you can do, prepare the entire detailing, or you can say a brief of abstract of all your ideas, and then drop it in the chat gpt one by one, or whatever AI tool you use. Like, hey, chat gpt, I have these three ideas, and I want you to prepare a brief up report about all these ideas. Okay, so idea one, idea two, idea three, and then ask artificial intelligence that while you are optimizing these ideas, you have to behave from a neutral perspective. You already have a lot of information about me, about my companies, and that's great. But this time I want you to behave from a neutral perspective, or from a third person perspective. So in that case, AI will give you the exact third person perspective. Here you can get a better idea testing and idea optimization, okay, and in a very short period of time. Okay, earlier, let's say you took weeks to test these form of ideas. Now you can just shrink it to 1 or 2 days, or you can do in even faster. Next, meeting brief up and reviews. Okay, Mikey is an entrepreneur. Mikey is very busy. Mikey can't attend all meetings. And sometime, personal assistants or managers attend, managing directors attend a meeting on behalf of Mikey. So what Mikey can do in that case, Mikey can have meeting brief up and reviews prepared by artificial intelligence. Okay, it will save use time of Mikey. Many time I don't go to when I'm really stuck with something research work, then my manager attend a meeting on my behalf. So not my manager, but my managing director attend a meeting on my behalf. Okay, now next, uh, AI in business marketing, AI creativity in business marketing. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. AI assist with branding, advertising, and social media strategies. Okay, this is will be the golden era of marketing. Trust me. I have seen those, tough time when, as an entrepreneur, you create multiple marketing campaign and then you have to drop them due to multiple reasons. And now you can have everything personalized. One of the most important thing is generate ad copies and personalized marketing messages. You can generate it in bulk, and you can have every customer feel, or every viewers feel this is specifically a very personalized message for me only. Then design visuals and brand logos using AI powered design tools. In fact, now you can have different theme, brands, designs, color palette for every different product in your pipeline. Okay, analyze audience engagement and predict trends. This is something interesting. Earlier, you have to work manually. You have to take uh, long feedback from people, and then you have to go through surveys whether you are going to like one such product or you are not going to like one such product. Now you can do it very fast by asking AI to analyze particular feedbacks. Okay, this will give you very fast result. Next, AI-powered recommendation engine boost e-commerce sale. This is a really good example. Um, you know, uh, you can use artificial intelligence, like Amazon use artificial intelligence. When you search something, it specifically shows you which are the best seller products. Okay, and chances of getting sale of those products is really very high. So it boosts e-commerce sale. You also can use artificial intelligence in your marketing. So what is for entrepreneurs like Mikey, our lead hero? First of all, Mikey can do the marketing testing campaign. Marketing testing campaign, sometime earlier we had, when we had product launching, it was multiple step process. First, you do the campaign test. First, you prepare the campaign, then you do the campaign testing, and then it goes on for weeks sometime. You collect the data, then you analyze, then you make the changes in your marketing campaign, and then you have your final marketing campaign, pre-launching final marketing campaign. So it was a use pain, and then you can do your beta testing and customer sentiment analysis. What if you get to know what customer wants before the launching? It saves your much effort. Then brand optimization. Now you can optimize your brand in globally. Earlier it was a deep process. Let's take the example of Amazon. Amazon has different you know website for different geographical region. Amazon.com is for USA, Amazon.in for India, and then it has Amazon.co.uk for United Kingdom, and it has one for Australia, one for Mexico, one for Germany, and one for Canada. Okay, so Now you can just have one website and you can create a replica of it with a few clicks only. Okay. And everything will be available to your customer, whether they are joining from US or Africa, Europe or Asia, wherever they are, they feel like the brand has been optimized in their experiences, in their way. So this is Mikey can do to reduce the entire cost of doing the optimized marketing. Next, what is next? So the future of AI-driven creativity. AI will collaborate with humans rather than replace them. As of now, I have shown you with the comparison, what are the limits of AI generated content and where human beings can help. AI powered interactive storytelling, future possibilities. AI powered interactive storytelling. Storytelling is really a power, and as of now, only human beings can tell the stories. Uh, future AI can help us with storytelling, because there are many entrepreneurs I know personally. I will not take their name. They are really good with their work, but they don't know how to share the story. They don't know how to explain their emotions and talk about their product. So AI enhanced real-time music production. Okay, why we need music production? We need music production for marketing campaigns. Don't use the repeated music which has been created by some other artist in your marketing campaign. You can generate your own uh, music, AI-driven customized artwork and movies. Now you have customization of your product launching. Let's say you are launching a pen. So while you are launching this pen, you can create your own artwork or some form of movies to show your product to your audience. This is my prediction. By 2028, 2030, AI powered creative tool will be standard part of all industries. Currently we see there are many companies, like recently Coca-Cola has done it, um, and other automobile companies have done it. They have created their advertisement with the help of artificial intelligence. But in another 7 years, 3 to 5 years, maybe most probably, AI tools will be standard part of all industries. Okay. So it's good that people like Mikey, the real entrepreneur like Mikey, they have started using artificial intelligence at a very early stage, and they will have good edge over their competition. So what are some ideal thought for Mikey for next 3 to 5 years? First of all, these numbers are not on the basis of some magazines. These are based on my personal experiences and observation, that how Mikey should plan his next 3 to 5 years. Mikey should focus on 30 to 50% reduction in the cost of marketing content creation and marketing campaigns. Next, 60 to 80% of workforce should be AI trained to stay up with the market trend. At least 60 to 80%. It can have 10% here or there, but at least the target should be 60 to 80%. And in next 3 to 5 years, Mikey should integrate AI 100% in customer care segment to have the highest customer satisfaction and experience. Okay, so I repeat again, these are my personal observations and opinion. Okay, number can vary from person to person. However, if you are in doubt and you want a number specific to your industry, please comment the comment section. You can ask in the comment section, and team will definitely respond. Next, AI in music composition. We have just talked about music. Okay, AI enhanced real-time music production. So let's talk about AI in music. There are many tools like Ava, AIVA, OpenAI Jukebox, and Amper Music. There are many tools, okay, which can help us in creating original, melodies. Mikey is an entrepreneur. Okay, Mikey has limited use of music specifically as of now, but there are musicians, composers, and influencers and real content creators. They need. I'm not a content creator. Okay, I'm not an influencer. I'm a researcher. I'm director of the company. Okay, I love what I do. Okay, then I come to teach you a bit of teach you to keep you ahead of the competition. Then what musicians can do, they can generate instrumental tracks and beats in an original way. They can have new ideas for their melodic structures. AI can assist with sound design and remixing. You have different type of music you can remix. Okay, whether you want hip hop, you want some form of soothing music, whatever it's your preference, you can have it. AI generated music is already being used in films, commercials, and games. Yes. So if you have not started it yet, this is the right time to start. But what is the use of for Mikey? Music for product launching. Mikey can have music for product launching. Let's say Mikey is launching a new product. He can have a new music theme for his product. Mm, a new tune for marketing campaign. In marketing, most important part, like there are many things, but having your visual rights, having the right music, really is a game changer. Okay, I don't know why people talk about why people don't talk about music when they talk about marketing campaigns. Strange. Okay, but Mikey is smart. Mikey is here. So, what are personalized strategy for AI creativity? Okay, uh, as professional, what AI offers as a brainstorming partner. AI can generate ideas, but humans refine them. Let's AI generate your ideas, and you human beings refine them. Okay, customize AI to match your style. You can customize. And when you work as a human being, and you want to customize, it takes a long process. Okay, in one videos, I have shown you how we can customize the famous painting of Mona Lisa in clay form. And I have shown you. Okay, I hope you have watched that video. And train AI models to align with your personal creative touch. Great. Leverage AI for efficiency, not replacement. Let AI handle repetitive tasks while you focus on innovation. This is very important. Innovation is not something which can you do from on the basis of pattern. Innovation comes from when you understand your core concept really well, when you understand the core problem really well. So let's repetitive tasks are being handled by AI, and you focus on innovation, that how we can make our product better, how we can mm, come up with really new breakthrough ideas. Okay, so what it means for entrepreneurs and specifically for Maki. Content personalization. Okay, where should Mikey should focus in terms of AI creativity? Content personalization, one. Second, product recommendation. Okay, let's AI recommend product on the basis of customer history and preferences. So that instead of searching for checking 10 different pages, let customer get the customized option on the top. Okay, AI-driven content creation. This is very necessary. Many companies have already started rolling out, and by 2028, 2030, it will be standard. Okay, AI-powered chatbot. That's really good from customer perspective. Let's say customer is joining from Germany. Okay, and let's customer interact in German language, or let's customer is joining from UK or Italy, let they interact in their language. Next, automated marketing tasks. You can automate. Next, let's Mikey focus on choosing the right AI technology. So far, we have discussed many AI tools, and every tool has a different specification. One tool is these tools are really good, but one tool is not fit for all purposes. So let's focus on getting the right AI tools, and then dynamic pricing. AI can help in dynamic pricing, and then encourage experimentation. Mikey should have all these options to boost the creativity, but Mikey should be open to new ideas. Okay, however, there is one recommendation. AI is really good, but don't waste your time on creating, the prompt for AI. Okay, if you have used artificial intelligence and you are using prompt to generate your to generate your content or whatever your idea is, then you are not optimizing artificial intelligence completely. Mike is smart. Instead of creating content, Maki use the prompt case which has been generated by us. Uh, Look at this ChatGPT prompt for Excels. Uh, I wrote this book last month. Okay, this book has 320 prompts, AI-driven prompts, which can help you in master Excel, automate workflows, and boost your productivity. So instead of putting your effort in creating the prompts, okay, or iterating the prompts, you should focus on new ideas, innovations, solving the customer problems, and let ReThynk AI take care of your prompting needs. These prompts are available and without on Amazon. Okay, and you can see ChatGPT prompts. There are 40 booklet where we have provided 24,000 prompt cases, and they are already becoming the bestseller. So you can visit Amazon, okay, and you can access the prompt created by ReThynk AI. It will save your time further. My aim is to help you as much as possible so that you can grow your business and make it as customizable as possible for you. So, what are ReThynk AI special strategies for entrepreneurs or those who are looking for more creativity? One, you should have AI-driven creativity workshops. It will help professionals integrate AI into their creative process. Next, AI-enhanced brand storytelling. Use AI to craft compelling narratives for your business. This is really a must. Okay, people connect with story first, and then they connect with your brand. Okay, so why should I connect with your brand? Okay, give me the reason with your story. Next, ethical AI implementation. Ensure AI remain a tool for innovation and not imitation. Okay, so what are the ideal goals for Mikey? Mikey should set 3 to 5 year goal with AI implementation and integration. Okay, earlier we have discussed it, and here is a brief up. Personalization of user experience. Okay, every entrepreneur should have you know this goal or variation of these goals. Reduce the overall cost by 20 to 30%, and it's really possible. Get 60 to 80% staff AI trained for smooth functioning. If you have not done yet, I highly recommend, please set these goals, make a list of these goals, put these goals on your on your chart or mind mapping board, and focus on these goals. These goals are going to be a game changer for you. So Mike is smart. Mike is smart. Mike has used artificial intelligence, started using artificial intelligence in advance. So these are the, and you also want to be like Mikey. So here is, AI is a tool for creative empowerment, not replacement. Okay, Mikey is using artificial intelligence to empower creativity, not to replace creativity. Next, the best creatives will master AI, not compete with it. Okay, Mikey is using AI, but Mikey is using AI. Mikey is mastering AI, but Mikey is not here to compete with AI. And the last, AI's role in creativity is limitless, but human imagination is always ahead. Okay, AI can help you create an amount of possibilities, but let your imagination be the driver of that creative innovation. So, how's you find Maki? Okay, and what you have learned from Mikey, you can share it with me in the comment section. We are going to read it, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. We are going to reply. I'm Jaideep Parashar, founder and director of ReThynk AI. If you have any question, you can reach out to me. This lecture has been researched by ReThynk AI and prepared by Vista Libreta. Vista Libreta is our marketing partner. You have any question, you can show up in the comment section. Thank you for joining. Please consider subscribing. See you soon.